Hey everyone, does that sound familiar to you? That toilet just ran and stopped, and it's been doing it every hour. This happens to this toilet once in a while, and then I have to fix it, like every couple of years. And I'm pretty sure it's the flapper. Today I'm going to show you how to test the flapper so that you know 100% that it is your flapper that's causing the sporadic running, the random running. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you right now. Before you turn the water off to your toilet, you really should always know where your main shutoff valve is for your whole house or your unit, wherever you may live, because sometimes toilet valves leak and then you have to either repair the valve or change it.
Okay, so we want to turn the water off to the toilet here. And if you only have one bathroom, you're going to want to do the quicker version of this test, which I'm going to talk about in a second here.
You don't want to flush your toilet right now, okay? I'm going to let you know that this is going to take a little more time than just fixing the running toilet, like another video I have. That's a very quick fix. To test your flapper, it's going to take a little more time. The quickest way to do it is if you know roughly how much time there is between when it runs. So say half an hour goes by and all of a sudden it'll run. And then another half an hour goes by and it'll run. Or maybe it's every couple hours. Then what you want to do is when you turn your water off, you want to leave the water off for longer than that, okay? And you want to see if the water level in the tank drops. You kind of see here, it's about 3/4 of an inch below the top of this. You want to see if that water level drops in the tank, okay? I've turned this water off. I'm going to leave this overnight, but for you, it'll be a matter of seconds and we're going to see what's going on in here, okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, here we are, back the next day. It's been about 18 hours since I turned that off. And like I said, you don't have to do that, okay? You can just turn it off for a couple hours, okay? This really shows you how much water you're losing, okay?
Okay, so there we go. The water level is down here now. I still haven't turned the water back on, obviously. The water level's down here. It used to be up here, okay? So that tells me that the flapper right here, I'm gonna pull up on that. That's that last little bit of water going out, okay? That tells me that water is getting by that flapper. I'm gonna pull this flapper out and show you. There's a clip here. Just pop up on that, push up on that. This just comes right out like that. And then you've got your chain right here, you can undo. Now this flapper here has a gasket on the bottom. Not all of them have this, okay? So I'm gonna take that right off of there. I'm gonna clean that up. This still looks in really good shape. So I'm gonna try cleaning it first. But if I wasn't gonna do that, I could take this with me to the hardware store or have a look at it. There's a number on here and order it online or get it at the hardware store, okay? I'm gonna clean thoroughly in around here with a rag, all in around here. And I'm running my finger along there. I'm checking for any kind of bumps or defects, anything. This feels nice and smooth. So I don't think that there's a problem with this. If you feel any bumps or deformities in this, then you may have to change this, which is, a much bigger job. So hopefully yours is okay. You just want to make sure this is thoroughly cleaned all around. That's where the flapper seals, right along here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it, put it all back together, and I'll show you in a second here. I gave the tank a pretty good cleaning as well, just to prevent further debris getting stuck around the flapper. It's a good idea if you have time to do that. So I have turned the water back on, filled the tank up, and turned the water back off again, because I want to test this again. Now you don't have to do that, but I want to test and make sure that this flapper is doing its job. So we're going to see tomorrow if this water level has dropped. Hopefully it has stayed the same. So I'll see you tomorrow in a few seconds.
Okay, it's the next day. I should have called this a 3-part video, but for you it's not. So it's a 3-part video for me. Anyways, we'll have a quick look here.
So the first thing I notice is that it looks like the water level has dropped a little bit, but not like yesterday. So one way to find out is I'm going to turn that water on, and if it starts filling at all, we know that a little bit of water is still getting by that flapper. If it's quiet and doesn't fill at all, then we know that the flapper is good. Okay, so it is still filling a bit. Oh, there we go, it stopped. It only lost a little bit of water. That tells me that this is going to run again. It's just gonna take a lot longer in between. And then it'll slowly get worse again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a new flapper, and that should fix it.
Okay everyone, well that is a true way to test your flapper, and 95% of the time it's the flapper. I hope the video helped. If you wouldn't mind giving it a like, click that thumbs up. Helps the video out, helps other people find it. If you like these kind of videos, you can always subscribe to my channel. You can also check this video out up in the corner here. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's helped 500,000 people fix their loud toilet. If your toilet's a little noisier than it used to be, you might want to check this video out. All right, well thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you next time.